Well, you're welcome to today's class, which we are going to talk about network security group and application security group. But before I proceed, I want to paint a scenario. So you have been asked to implement your organization's virtual networking infrastructure and test to ensure it is working correctly. In fact, in particular, the organization has two groups of servers, which are web servers and management servers. They said each group of servers should be in its own application security group. You should be able to RDP into the management servers but not the web server. The web servers should display the IIS web page when accessed from the internet. Network security group rules should be used to control network access. So you already know that I would have to draw the diagram for us to have a better understanding of what we are trying to achieve in this class. This is the diagram of what we want to replicate on Azure. So let me see if I can, let me just change it to, let me change the background for those of us that don't like the black background. Alright, this is fair. So this is what we're going to replicate on Azure. Let me go to first, resource group first. Now, like we started from the diagram, we have resource group first. Okay, so we can do this. DNI RG is just, that's fine. Create. So what next? Virtual. From the diagram, I named it my virtual network. My virtual network. Okay. That's that. I can just source group region, that's fine. So let me quickly check this IP 10.default. Let me see, that's fine. Okay, 16, that's fine. Can review and create this. It's not supposed to take time. What did I call my application security group from the diagram? So I have my ASG web server, my ASG MGMT server, management server. So first, so that means I'm going to create two application security group. So first my ASG web server. Just review and create. I need one more application security group. So just want to make it snappy. Alright, so this is the second one from the diagram is my ASG management server, my ASG management server. Okay. So I can call this my NSG. Is that what I have in the diagram? Okay, my NSG. Good. Alright, so Is this completed? Let me just create this. Okay, good, that's completed. This one is creating. So we're waiting for the NSG to be completed so that we can associate the default subnet to it. Okay, good. Can see nothing is there, so let me associate the default subnet. Okay. That's fine. So I want to add so here I want to put it as application security group. So that's the destination. Then so I will pick ASG server, web server with this destination port 80443 to CP. Then parity should be like 100. Okay, that's fine. So let me just change this to allow, because this one is the one we need to allow from the web. Alright, that's fine. So we need to still create a one for RDP. So I'll still call it, say, application security group. So management, that's for RDP. Then we can call this 3389 as RDP ports. So we can say parity 110 allow. So we can say allow RDP all. That's fine. Okay, so this should, this is fine. I think this is okay for now. Can just create, don't forget we are creating 2 virtual machines. So the other one we're creating is going to serve as management server. Management server. So this is for that. Management server. So let me just run this. Okay, this is okay for me. Test user. Acceptable password. So let's create that. So the next one is to associate each virtual machine's network interface to its application gateway. Application security group. Do I have this in progress? This is also okay. Validation pass. Deployment. You to create your own. Add. So for the web server, I'm adding this. So for the management server, which is still deploying, add the management application security group. Okay, good. So now we need to test the network traffic filtering. Let's navigate back to the management. So that means we need to overview, see, and we are supposed to be able to RDP into this management machine. So let me just check. Okay, so let's check this. Network setting. What do we have? Management. Okay. Allow 3389. Okay. So test user. So you can see we can RDP into the management. So for the web server, there's something we quickly need to do. We need to install IIS on that. So let's come here to the wrong command. Just do this. Say install, because I want this to be the page that once we try to enter through the internet, this is what I want to be seen. IIS page. So web server, web server. Does this include management? Okay. So let's check this. Oh, good. Success. So we can now go back to the overview of our web server and try to copy a public IP to check if we can access it from the internet. Good. So this is evidence that the management can access via RDP while the web server can be accessed through the internet. Thank you for joining me in today's class. Enjoy the rest of your day.